What's up guys, Albert Dom back with another video, and in this video we're going to be covering the new AMEX White Gold Card that just came out on the personal and business side, all of the benefits of the card and the data points on the personal and business side to maximize your chances of approval. So make sure to stick around toward the end of the video in order to make sure you guys get all of the data points. I already have this card on the business side. I currently don't have it on the personal side, and I'm considering upgrading on the business side to the new AMEX White Gold Card. So I was just on their site and I wanted to share this with you guys. All right, guys, let's get straight into the video. Here I am on the site. So on the personal side, they currently have 90,000 membership reward points. This is after you spend 6,000 on eligible purchases on your new card within the first 6 months of card membership. So keep in mind, this is within the first 6 months of the card membership. So if you guys are going to be going out to a lot of restaurants, this would really help and benefit you guys and help you guys rationalize the ROI on the $325 annual fee that comes with this card. So for me, this seems personally worth it if I were to be spending a lot on this card for restaurants and going out and stuff like that. I currently put a lot of that spend on the business side, so I wouldn't necessarily be using that for this case. But you guys could also use that. You guys could also meet the sign-up bonus and then use the 90,000 points and use that for travel, which I would see a big benefit in that. So here as well, it says receive 20% back in statement credits on eligible purchases made at restaurants worldwide within the first 6 months of card membership. Up to 100 back. Offer ends 11/6/2024. So here you go, how you earn 4x membership reward points at restaurants worldwide on up to 50,000 per year in purchases. And then after that, they will probably cut this out. 4x membership reward points at US supermarkets on up to 25,000 per year in purchases. 3x membership reward points for flights booked directly with airlines or on AmexTravel.com. 2x membership reward points on prepaid hotels and other eligible travel purchases booked through AmexTravel.com. 1x membership reward points on other purchases. Terms and limitations apply. So you guys definitely want to factor all of this in and consider this before getting the card and seeing if it makes sense to be spending that $325 annual fee yearly to have this card. So here are some other points you guys get. You guys get $120 with Uber Cash on Gold. I am currently using Uber a lot, so this would definitely make sense for me. $84 Dunkin' credit. If you guys like to go to Dunkin', then this would make sense for you guys. I don't go to Dunkin', so this really wouldn't benefit me. $100 Resy credit. Resy is like a restaurant platform. That's what it seems like. So if you guys are ordering a lot of food online, this would make sense for you guys. Up to $120 dining credit. So earn up to a total of $10 in statement credits monthly when you pay with Gold Card at Grubhub. So if you guys are using Grubhub, that would make sense for you. Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, Wine.com, newly added dining partners, Five Guys. This can be an annual savings up to $120. So if you guys currently are using any of these, then of course that would make sense for you. So you guys could consider that. So here they're going over that again. I already went over this. So when it comes to travel, you guys get a $100 credit to use towards eligible purchases with a 2-night minimum stay when you book the hotel collection through Amex Travel. So that's really good. Another thing is baggage insurance plan. I found this very beneficial because recently I've been traveling a lot, and on one of my trips, they lost my baggage and it was a headache to get it back. And I know if I definitely had this, I would have more of a peace of mind, and this would definitely help out with me rationalizing spending the $325 annual fee because I know I get a big benefit from this. And then you guys have the Global Assist Hotline, no foreign transaction fees. This is really good as well when you're traveling. Car rental loss and damage insurance. This could be good as well if you guys are going to be like renting cars while you're traveling as well. So here are the other ones. You guys can check that out for yourselves. All right, guys, that's on the personal side. Now let's transition into my favorite part, the business side. So if you guys know anything about me and you guys watch my channel, you guys know I'm a huge proponent of business credit cards and leveraging business credit cards in order to build wealth. So here we are on the business card. Like I said earlier, my card with them is on the business side. So that was what intrigued me about this new card and made me want to consider upgrading. So here we are. You guys get $150 membership rewards points after spending $15,000 on eligible purchases on the card in the first 3 months of card membership. This offer may not be available if you leave this page and return later. That sounds like some marketing stuff. So yeah, 0% APR for 6 months. Wow, that's amazing. I did not even know that they do that on charge cards, because usually charge cards have like 30% APR and they're usually never 0% from what I remember. When I got this card, it was not 0%. So the fact that they're doing 0% APR for the first 6 months is really, really good. And if you're a business owner that wants to get this card, what I would personally be using this card for on the business side would probably be like running ads or like investing into marketing and stuff like that. So that would help me get my Forex membership rewards points with this specific card. So the fact that this is 0% APR for 6 months is really, really, really good. There's a lot of other cards that are also 6 months, and there's some 0% cards that go up to 12 to 18 months. But to see this on a charge card is very, very rare. And I'm actually very surprised that they're doing this. And this is probably going to make me apply for this card now. So yeah, 0% for 6 months, phenomenal. I'm really glad that AMEX is doing this. I definitely recommend, if you guys don't have AMEX in your credit portfolio, that you guys definitely build up your relationship with AMEX, because when it comes to MR points, they have some of the best, them and Chase, in my opinion. Obviously, everything has like its lane. Capital One has amazing points right now as well on the Capital One Savior card. But yeah, if you guys aren't currently banking with AMEX, I definitely recommend you guys build out that relationship, which I'll be going over more into detail toward the end of the video. So they also have 3x membership rewards points as well on flights and prepaid hotels booked on AmexTravel.com. Great for growth stage businesses, earning flexible rewards, everyday business categories. So here are some other things you guys could get statement credits on. So you guys could get at FedEx, Grubhub, office supply stores. You guys get 240 flexible business credit, earn up to 20 in statement credits monthly after you use the business gold card for eligible U.S. purchases at FedEx, Grubhub, and office supply stores. This can be an annual savings of up to 240. So if you guys are going to be using this, obviously that makes sense for you. This wouldn't apply to me, so I wouldn't really be looking at this. 155 Walmart membership credit, get up to $12.95 statement credit back each month after you pay for a monthly Walmart membership. So if you guys use Walmart, you guys could do that, and that would make sense for you. All right, so that's it on the business side. Let's see what else they have here. Forex Points Works. So you guys can check this out for yourselves too if you guys want to learn more about that. Now let's get into the data points on building out the relationship with AMEX and how to get approved for this card. So when it comes to what they pull, they will be hard pulling Experian and TransUnion or both to get approved. Now the exception to this is if you're already in the AMEX system, they usually only do a soft pull if you're already in the AMEX system. So just keep that in mind. If you guys already have cards with AMEX on the personal or business side, then this will just be a soft pull for you to get approved. So that's another really, really good thing with AMEX, that they won't be hard pulling you to get approved. And they usually will let you get up to 10 charge cards and 4 regular credit cards. Charge cards and credit cards are two different things. Charge cards, you guys usually have to pay everything up front toward the end of the month. Credit cards are different. It's just a 1% minimum payment of the credit card every month. So just keep that in mind. The charge cards and credit cards are two different things. So to maximize your approval odds on the business side, I definitely recommend opening up a business checking account with them and having some deposits go through. Have like whatever you guys could sitting there for 30 days. I recommend like 5K if you guys could do that. That will help increase your bank rating with them and obviously help you guys get approved. So that's another thing to consider. I would personally be using this card for ads like I went over earlier in the video. This is great for me to get the Forex points and obviously getting a return with the ad spend, right? If you already have this card, you could just go on the website and request a replacement card. So I already have this. So that's probably what I'll be doing to get it. I went over this earlier, 120 Uber X Cash Rewards card. The card doesn't roll over month to month. The credits don't roll over month to month. So make sure you guys use it because it's basically use it or lose it. So whatever the credits are, make sure that you guys use it on a monthly basis. And last but not least, starting July 25th, the gold card will increase to 325 from 250. So if you already have this card, just keep that in mind. For existing card members, annual renewal date is October 1st, 2024. So if you're an existing gold card holder like I am, you guys could renew it for the 25 annual fee now. So just keep that in mind and you guys could save that 75 if you guys are already in the system and already have the card. All right, guys, that's it for the AMEX Gold, the new AMEX Gold card on the personal and business side. I hope you guys got a lot of practical takeaways from this video and you guys get approved for this card. If you guys get approved, make sure to comment down below to inspire others. If you guys want to work with me and my team one-on-one and learn about everything on the personal credit side and business credit side, A to Z, leverage our relationship managers in order to increase your probability odds, then you guys can book a call below. If you guys still haven't, subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys here on the next video.